Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at 12Trader. Be sure to like, subscribe and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. 12Trader is an award-winning CYSEC regulated Forex and CFD broker that was founded in 2013 and is based in the United Kingdom. The accounts offered are flexible, with competitive trading conditions, and you can trade a variety of Forex pairs, stocks, gold, oil, commodities, CFDs and cryptocurrencies on the proprietary 12Trader platforms. You also have the option of trading with the 12Trader mobile application, and this application can be downloaded from Google Play and the Apple App Store. If you are considering trading for the first time, educational resources are provided, and you can practice trading on a demo account in a risk-free environment. 12Trader also offers a MasterCard that you can use to transfer and withdraw funds conveniently, and high-quality trading signals are provided free of charge, which makes this broker a fantastic option for social trading. 12Trader offers a user-friendly website, and you can easily find more information about the accounts you can open, the trading conditions and instruments offered, and the platforms and tools you can use by choosing an option from the menu bar. At the top of the homepage, you will see some information about the instruments you can trade with live spreads, and as you scroll down the page, you will see more details about the platforms offered with links to real accounts and demo accounts. You will also find direct links to the trading signals section further down the page, along with information about the 12Trader credit card. Towards the bottom of the page, you can view their rewards and the payment methods you can use to fund your accounts. And at the very bottom of the homepage, you will find listed menus with direct links to different sections of the website. If you would like to learn more about the instruments you can trade with 12Trader, either click on the Products tab or scroll down to the bottom of the homepage and select an instrument from the Product menu. 12Trader currently offers more than 15 currency pairs, as well as dozens of stocks, commodities, CFDs and cryptocurrencies. You will also be able to trade gold and oil with 12Trader. The 12Trader customer support team can be reached 24 hours a day via live chat, and you can also email or call them directly using the contact details provided. You can also submit a web ticket directly from the website and request a callback. We would recommend visiting the FAQ sections to view answers to some of the most commonly asked questions. 12Trader does not currently offer a welcome bonus. However, if you deposit $500 or more into your trading account, you will receive a withdrawable cash bonus for referring any friends and family that join 12Trader through you. And you can also earn commission by becoming an affiliate. 12Trader offers their very own proprietary trading platform and mobile application. The WebTrader is a one-click trading platform that has been optimized for social trading and doing technical analysis. It comes with built-in customizable charts, a variety of drawing tools, and multiple order types. If you prefer to trade on your mobile device, you can also download the mobile application for free from Google Play or the Apple App Store. This app comes with built-in news feeds, and it is a beginner-friendly application with advanced trading tools. In addition to the platforms and tools offered, 12Trader also provides plenty of resources for education, research, and analysis. The broker provides 3 types of live trading accounts, and you will also be able to use swap-free accounts and a demo account. All 3 accounts are no dealing desk accounts that come with account managers, training and daily signals. However, only the silver and gold accounts have access to the educational center. You also have the option of using any of the accounts as a swap-free account, and all 3 accounts can be used for hedging. The first type of account you can open with 12Trader is the micro account. This account requires a minimum deposit of $500 and a maximum leverage of 1 to 200 is allowed. We recommend the micro account for beginners who already have some experience trading. This account can only be used on the WebTrader platform. When you are ready to make larger deposits, you can open either a silver account or a gold account. Both accounts can be used for mobile trading and web trading, and they have higher leverage limits, with a maximum leverage of 1 to 400. If you plan to use the 12Trader credit card, then you will need to open a silver account or a gold account. A minimum deposit of $10,000 is required to open a silver account, and $25,000 is required to open a gold account. 12Trader also offers invitation-only exclusive accounts for high net worth individuals who will be depositing $100,000 or more. If you'll be trading for the first time, then we would recommend opening a demo account first to see which account you prefer the most. Demo accounts will give you an opportunity to test out the tools and features of different accounts with zero risks using virtual currency in a simulated market environment. Swap-free accounts are also available, and no interest or rollover fees are charged on overnight positions. However, this option is only available to Muslim clients. Once you are ready to fund your account, you can use Visa, MasterCard, PayPal, Maestro, Skrill, and several other payment options. Creating an account with 12Trader may take up to 24 hours. However, the account creation process is straightforward. Firstly, launch the 12Trader homepage, and then click on the Open an Account button. Next, you'll want to complete the online application form. Then verify your account and email address. After your account has been verified, you can log into the client portal, and once your account is set up and approved, you can fund your account and start trading. Once you have signed up with 12Trader, you will have access to an economic calendar, a variety of detailed graphic charts, beginner-friendly trading guides, free daily trading signals, market analysis reports, live news, trading courses, and much more. 12Trader is a great option for beginners, and we recommend using the educational resources provided alongside your demo account to learn the basics of trading before depositing any money into a real account. If you have any questions about managing your account or using the platforms, you can contact their customer support team or visit the FAQ section to see if your questions have already been answered. Over the years this broker has been in operation, they have received several awards, and most recently, they received awards for being the best signals provider, as well as being the best forex broker 2 years in a row. Overall, 12Trader is a fantastic option for beginners and social traders. However, they also offer a variety of advanced tools and VIP trading conditions for more experienced traders. They offer 24 hours a day customer support with account managers for all the account types, and several payment methods are supported, so funding your account will be easy and safe. 12Trader is regulated by one of the top international regulatory agencies, and we recommend them for all types of traders. If you are interested, be sure to open your 12Trader account today and bring a friend along with you to claim your cash rewards. And that is our overview of 12Trader. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.